How to send a one-time photo on Instagram on an iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send a one-time photo on Instagram on an iPhone. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure to log in and go to Chats. Now open any chat and tap the camera icon at the bottom. Then capture the photo you want by tapping the shutter. You will see the option Allow Replay, so tap on it to reset. For a one-time photo, you can set it to view once. After that, tap the send icon to successfully send it. It allows them to view your photo only once. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.